Today, I'll show you how to deposit money to Moomoo via wire transfer. Whether you're new to Moomoo or just need a refresher on the process, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful transaction. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Moomoo app on your device and log in to your account. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, make sure to do so from your device's app store and have your login details handy. Logging in is simple and quick, and once you're in, you'll be ready to manage your finances effectively. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom menu and tap on Accounts. This is where you'll find a comprehensive overview of your financial activities and balances. It's always good to familiarize yourself with this section to keep track of your investments and account status. Next, you'll need to choose your deposit account. This is a crucial step, as selecting the correct account ensures that your funds are directed to the right place within Moomoo. Take a moment to make sure you've picked the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts within the app. After you've selected your deposit account, proceed to tap on Transfers. This option will guide you through various transfer methods available. Here, you'll want to select Deposit, which will lead you to the next step in the wire transfer process. Now, you'll need to choose Deposit via Wire. Wire transfers are a reliable and secure method for moving funds, particularly for larger amounts. Selecting this option will bring up a set of instructions that you'll need to follow carefully. The instructions will prompt you to enter the required bank transfer details. This typically includes your bank's routing number, your account number, and any other necessary information. Double-check each entry to ensure accuracy, as any mistakes could delay the transfer process or even result in a failed transaction. Once you've entered your bank details, take a moment to review the information thoroughly. This is your chance to catch any errors before submission. Pay special attention to the account numbers and amounts to avoid potential issues. Finally, submit your wire transfer. After submission, you should receive a confirmation that your transfer request has been received. It's important to remember that wire transfers might take some time to process, depending on your bank and the time of day you initiate the transfer. And that's it. Once the transfer is processed, the funds will be added to your Moomoo account. You'll be notified once the deposit is complete, and you can then use these funds for your investments or any other financial activities within Moomoo. Congratulations! You've now successfully deposited money to your Moomoo account via wire transfer. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your finances with Moomoo. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.